criminal trial of former President Donald Trump. That's the big news because it's at a major turning point this morning. By the end of today, in fact, by the afternoon, the case will likely be in the hands of the jury who will decide the fate of Donald Trump. Is he guilty of the dozens of felony charges against him? Robert Costa was inside the courthouse for those closing arguments, and they did stretch on, didn't they, Bob? Good morning to you.
They did, but we're almost over. Good morning. Inside the courthouse yesterday, the prosecution and defense were busy driving home the points they wanted to leave with the jurors, while outside, the presidential campaign was in full swing.
Former President Donald Trump left court last night after a full day of closing arguments. Trump's lawyer Todd Blanche was up first, arguing to the jury for nearly 3 hours that the case is about a basic bookkeeping dispute, and zeroed in on the credibility of the prosecution's key witness, Trump's former fixer Michael Cohen. Trump is charged with 34 felony counts for falsifying business records to reimburse Cohen, who paid Stormy Daniels $130,000 to keep quiet about an alleged sexual encounter in the lead-up to the 2016 election.
There is no crime.
Cohen is the only witness who directly links Trump to the hush money payment, about which the former president has denied knowing about. But Blanche highlighted Cohen has lied under oath in the past, calling him the GOAT, greatest liar of all time, a charge Trump's son echoed.
Michael Cohen is the embodiment of reasonable doubt.
Prosecutor Joshua Steinglass later shot back, saying, "We didn't choose Michael Cohen. We didn't pick him up at the witness store. The defendant chose Mr. Cohen to be his fixer because he was willing to lie and cheat on Mr. Trump's behalf." Steinglass argued this case is about Trump, not Cohen, and is backed up by evidence including other witnesses, text messages, phone records, handwritten notes, and documents. His closing arguments lasted nearly 5 hours. Richard Gabriel is a jury consultant.
What the prosecutors are doing and the defense attorneys are actually trying to arm their opinion leaders, the people that they think will argue for them in the jury room.
And for the first time yesterday, the Biden campaign staged its own event steps from the courthouse with actor and Trump critic Robert De Niro.
This is the time to stop him by voting him out once and for all.